So yeah, just wait for a while. Let's other folks can join our call so that we can start our session. Yeah, I hope we can start our session. Mhm. I will pause the recording for a while. Let's other can join. We can start session. Yeah, thank you so much for joining the session, Ma. So let me give an introduction about myself. So myself, Imran, and I was having around 8 years of experience with ServiceNow. So basically, I have been working as a team lead in one of the extreme organization, and I do have around 10 members as a team. So in those 10 members, we do have developers and 5 developers, testers, and business analysts we do have. So I was maintaining around 10 members as a team, and I do have very good knowledge in ServiceNow implementations. I have been done multiple projects with regards to ServiceNow. Yeah. So coming to this ServiceNow trainings, JPS ServiceNow trainings. So we have trained around 1,000 plus students, and I have placed around multiple students, and I don't remember the name. As of my skills, I can give more and more information about this training. Yeah, let us start. So, do anyone here are working for service now? Anyone of you are working for service now or looking for a change or working
I
for any technical or non-technical background? Just let me know so that I can understand clearly.
I got a job. Well, I had some job opportunities with ServiceNow, and
Great.
I kept finding it because I didn't really know it and I didn't want to jump into it and not know what to do. But that's why
Great. Got it. So, are you, I mean, have you worked for any service now or else with for any
uh
non-tech?
just 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 as the ticketing system, but not as
Uh-huh.
on the development side. That's kind of where the job offer is for job for ServiceNow developing.
Got it, got it, got it. You just worked as an ticketing tool, but not like an admin, but not as a developer, right?
Correct.
Yeah, got it. So, yeah, got it. So basically, David, we do have two things in service now, like admin as well as development actually. So who comes under admin and who comes under the development, I will be telling you in some time. So yeah. So what is meant by a service now basically? So as you all know, to nowadays cloud platform is hitting hard because of a good interface. Let's take, for example, we do have WhatsApp, we do have an Facebook, we do have an YouTube, and all the tools. I mean, do you need software to browse YouTube, ma? Do you need some softwares to browse the YouTube? No, right? We need
No.
not to
No.
have an software to browse the YouTube videos. You just need to have an internet connection in your phone. That's it. You can browse, correct? So in the same way, ServiceNow has built with a cloud-based ITSM platform. Basically, it will support the IT service management and automate the common business process. So what is the common business process? So let's take for example, any user has been logged in or onboarded to any of the organization. So he needs some asset, he needs some details like where he need to sit and where he need to have an ID card and all those things, right? So for the onboarding user, we need to provide some service to him, right? So service in the sense, so we need to mail him. So we need not to mail him the manually, right? So you need to collect this laptop from here. You need to collect from email. You will get the ID. I mean, you will get the ID card from this. So we need not to email manually. So that we need to do it in an automated way. As soon as the user has onboarded, automatically we need to automate the process to make that particular candidate to feel free so that he can directly go to the specific team and collect the ID card, asset, and everything, right? That we need to make some in an automated way. That comes under the service now. I mean, that not only service now. So basically, we need to give some easy and a clear crystal idea on, or we need to give a clear process, and we need to give a good service to the customer. So that's the reason our main motto of using ServiceNow is to give a good service to any of the customers. So what is meant by giving a good uh, service to the customer? So let's assume you have been bought some new things in your home like refrigerator or something else to your, or else you have been gifted some new mobile or else refrigerator or washing machine to your home, and you resides in USA. You just gifted an refrigerator to your parents from US. So that has been delivered to your home, and your parents has felt very happy, and in the meanwhile that particular refrigerator has stopped working. So first and foremost thing what you will be doing, your parents are not much educated and they don't know the process, right? So what we need to do, what should be the next step? They will just say to you, stating that this particular refrigerator which you have been given as a gift, that is not working, and whatever the things which are there in the refrigerator is damaging everything. So what is the first point of contact you will be doing, ma? First, you will be calling the help desk, right? Help desk in the sense what? The if let's take you have been bought an LG refrigerator. So you will be calling to whom? You will be calling to LG refrigerator help desk, and what they will be saying, first they will be saying that, sir, no problem, sir, we will be resolving the issue. So we are just taking an your ID complaint, and then we will be sorting out your issue as soon as possible. He will be saying that one, right? So that what you will be saying, you will be conveying the same to your parents that, so please be available at this time. Some agent will come and give a, I mean, he will be sorting out the issue, and the refrigerator will work as expected. So that means here's the service come into picture. So the service, the SLAs. What is meant by SLA? Do you know what is meant by SLAs?
Service level agreement.
Correct. So basically, service level agreement is nothing but what? The agreement between vendor and the service provider. Service provider and the vendor is known as a service level agreement. As I said, the refrigerator has been stopped working. The customer will hesitate as because he just got the refrigerator before one day and it is not working as expected. Does the customer feel some bad on that particular LG, right? I mean, whatever the product he has been purchased. In the same way, we are trying to give the most customized solutions or most customized uh, process or management. Actually, we need to give a correct service to those particular customers. That's our main motto. So why service now? Because each and every organization without any ITSM tool, ITSM stands for infrastructure service management. We are trying to give the service to the employees, service to the organizations, everything. Any organization should follow some ITSM tool, information technology service management tool for sure. So we are preferring ServiceNow because it is having a less code and no code, and it is a cloud based. And yeah, let me complete that refrigerator once. So now, so in the same customer, so the same guy who is there in the US has called, I mean, the refrigerator has been blocked and it is not cooling. So he has called the customer and he has on a hold for 1 hour. Okay, he is on hold for 1 hour. After 1 hour, the helpdesk person has been uh, picked his phone, and what he will be saying is like, so sorry sir, sorry for the inconvenience, we will be resolving the issue in the next 10 days. As a customer, you have taken a new product and you need to wait for next 10 days to resolve the issue. Is that a good service as per your understanding? Is that a
No.
good service? No, right? We need to solve the issue. If you are buying any product, you need to solve the issue as soon as possible. There should be no lags, there should be no something, etc. Right? There should be the good service we need to give. So that's the reason the one who is giving the good service, you will be going over there. There is nothing, it's simple. Am I right? So now, what is meant by SaaS and what is meant by platform as a service? So let's take for example, I do have some scenarios like let's take we do have some Google. Let's take Google or some other tools. Okay, let's take Redbus or let's take some Indigo. Indigo platform we are having. So let's take. Will you have capability to change this logo, ma?
No.
I mean, I just wanted to change this particular logo from the Indigo side. Will you be able to change this logo?
No.
No. Who can change the logo?
I can see the presentation only.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Now, is it visible? Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I have been navigated to Indigo page. Okay. So I just wanted to change the logo of this particular Indigo. Will you be able to change this particular logo from Indigo's page, home page?
Oh no.
No, right? You just want to see, you just want to change this particular things like, hi there, where would you like to indicate today? So this caption, you don't like it and you just wanted to change this particular wording. Will you be changing it? Will you be able to change it? You are not the owner of this particular Indigo, or else you are not the technical team of this particular Indigo, and you are not the developer of this particular Indigo, right? You are just a end user. End user is nothing but whom? We are the end users of Indigo, right? I can use this particular thing, but I can't edit it, right? So
Yes.
now, coming back to the ServiceNow has given a functionality. That means we are trying to use the particular software as a service as well as platform as a service. That means platform is nothing but what this is a platform. And you have given me amount, you have given me some price so that I will be giving you the access to edit whatever you can. Okay. Now coming back to the service now, let's take let me just a minute. The only thing why I was trying to go with ServiceNow because it is very easy to learn, ma. It is very easy to learn. Not only the developers need to learn, we need to have some, what I can say, we need to have some understanding on the software, then only we can learn. No, even if you have 10 years or 15 years of experience in any of the tool as a developer, and if you are working for any of the organization for 15 to 20 years as well, the ServiceNow tool is built like that. Like the way you can learn very easily. There would be no recommendations, there will be no such type of things. Okay. So just give me a 5 minutes of time. It is getting wake up. Till then, we can continue with our demo session. So as you can see here, if I want to build any software, if I want to build any new functionalities, or if I want to create a new company, first and foremost thing, I need to have a very huge uh, interface. Like I need to have some hardware, I need to have the servers, I need to have something, I need to have each and everything needs to get assigned to that particular company, right? So for ServiceNow, no need of having all these particular things. That's the reason all the clients nowadays are switching back to ServiceNow. I have been done multiple integrations. What is meant by integration? I will tell you. So basically, who are all the competitors of ServiceNow actually? So for ServiceNow, we do have uh, BMC Remedy, and we do have Jira and Salesforce. These are all the three main competitors of ServiceNow basically. So one more thing I just wanted to show you. So basically ServiceNow has been founded as a GlideSoft in 2003. This is not a new tool, or this is not a new tool in the market. Okay. It is having around, it has been invented in 2003 as it, but the name in the 2003 is like a GlideSoft. Okay, it is not a service now, it is like a glide soft. Later on, I mean, who is the founder of service now actually? Do anyone know who is the founder of service now? Founder. Founder in the sense who has invented service now like that. Who is the founder of
Fred
service now?
Lady.
Fred Luddy, right? Perfect. So basically, Fred Luddy. One more thing, I just wanted to say some secrets of Fred Luddy actually. So basically, Fred Luddy have worked for BMC Remedy actually first for around 20 years, I guess. 20 to 30 years he has been worked for BMC Remedy. After 20 years, he has worked as a developer actually. Developer and something. And later on, he has invented a tool. Actually, in 20 years, he has worked very hard for BMC Remedy, and he has got some drawbacks. What are all the drawbacks of BMC Remedy? He has captured it. And then he invented a tool called GlideSoft. What it is? GlideSoft in 2003. Later on, he has worked hard, and his team has worked hard in 2006. In 2006, they have been they have been moved as a service now. Sorry. They have been moved that name as a service now, and they released the versions actually. They have released the versions. So in a version base, they will be releasing actually. In each and every year, ServiceNow will be releasing two versions. Ma. How many versions? Can you please make this session as an interactive way? Okay. So
2 versions every year.
two versions we will be having. So that will be in a European names. Like as you can see here, ServiceNow versions. Just a minute, let it load. It's getting silent. Yeah, that's fine. Now as you can see here, 1st January, yeah, as you can see, first release 2004 as with the name of Glidesoft. Okay, later on, first release as an Aspen. What it is, ma? You need to understand this one actually. I mean, you need to at least keep some idea what is the first version of ServiceNow. In interviews, some fellows will be there actually. They wantedly ask this type of questions. So, what is the first version of ServiceNow when, I mean, they will ask in a different way. In the sense, they wantedly ask this whether you have been worked in ServiceNow or not. You need to have some history knowledge as well, ma. If you want to go to any of the tool, first you need to get the future analysis, and then only you need to go for the past. I mean, future. Past analysis you need to have, and then future analysis you need to have. So first, what is the first version, ma? Aspen.
Glidesoft.
As I said, in 1 year, they will be releasing two versions actually. Aspen, Berlin, A, B, C, D, and it will be there in a alphabetical manner actually. The present version is Xanadu. As you can see here, once after everything is fine, from here, from Quebec, they have been releasing two versions. As you can see, PQR. P, Q is nothing but Quebec, R for Q1, Quebec. That means quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 3 Rome. And again, in the same 2022, two versions, San Diego and Tokyo. And 2023, two versions, Utah and Vancouver. In 2024, there will be two versions. One is Washington, and another one is Xanadu. For every year, there will be how many versions, man?
Two.
Two versions.
Two versions. Please try to make a note of it. Now. So now he has been invented the Glidesoft, and Fred Luddy has done this. And 2006, from now it is in a very boom actually. So integrations are nothing but we do have some customers who are already before ServiceNow, they will be using BMC Remedy, Jira, Salesforce, right? They are trying to change from Jira to ServiceNow. They are trying to change from Salesforce to ServiceNow, and they are trying to change from BMC Remedy to ServiceNow. I have been implemented multiple projects, ma. Okay, whatever the data which we are there in this particular tools with before using in the service now, there will be that data will be there, right? Even if you have taken a mobile phone, okay, let's take assume this is one person, okay, this is one person, he has using an Android mobile from the past 5 years. From the past 5 years, he has been using the same phone. And later, after 5 years, he just wanted to, he checked the market, and he found that there is a OnePlus mobile, which is a newly version, and it is having the version of newly one. And what he need is like he needs to upgrade the mobile phone. So that means first and foremost thing, what you will be doing, you will be purchasing the phone actually. Once after purchasing the phone, what you will be taking care of? The data. Whatever the pictures which you are having here, you need to move this data to our new OnePlus mobile, right? As because you have bought a new mobile and you don't want to lose the data, right? Do you want, I mean, do any one of you are okay with losing the data
No.
of your
No.
contacts data,
No.
your something, everything will be there, right? You just need to have the data ready, right? So, as because you are, I mean, in our easy, I mean, in our daily as well, you are trying to use the data, how this customer's data, which is available for the past 20 years or 15 years, how will they mm, delete those data? They need to have some backup of it, right? Or else they will be moving this data to ServiceNow, right? So
Yes.
they need to move it. Why? Because the customers will become very, I mean, aggressive, right? If he is trying to delete the data, yes or no? So for this, they will be integrating the tools. What it is? Integrating. That means
Integration.
integrations with other tools. Basically, ServiceNow will accept multiple integrations, Armata. It is very easy to integrate with other third-party tools, actually. It is very simple to integrate. There is nothing much. We do have endpoints, actually. For each and every tool, we will be having endpoints. I don't want to go deeper into it. So you just need to understand in a high level. Okay. So for implementation as well, ServiceNow will have no code actually, no code or low code. That means ServiceNow is already a fully cooked ma. You need not to do anything else over there. You just need to change the behaviors if needed, or else everything is an out of the box features only. In out of the box features only, ServiceNow has given each and everything. We need not to modify anything else over there. If you want to make some customizations, you can do. So that means, as I said, software as a service, platform as a service. So you, as I given an example of mobile phone. So you have purchased this mobile, okay? And do you have authority to change your wallpaper on your mobile? Will you
Yes.
be doing that?
Yes.
Yes. That means
Yes.
you have been purchased, right? That's the reason you can change whatever it is. So in the same way, ServiceNow also will have in a subscription basis. What it is? In a subscription way. What is meant by subscription? Do you know? Do you know Hotstar? Do you know Netflix?
Yes.
Access.
Monthly payment. Yeah,
Yeah,
we pay
monthly, weekly, or
monthly.
something else. So, but ServiceNow will be not monthly, weekly. So basically, we will be having in a years wise. So subscription wise, we will be having, and as soon as he give the subscription, we have taken the subscription. We can use it from the day. Let's take for example, Hotstar is there, bro. If you don't have the Hotstar, what you will be doing, ma? You will be going to some iBoma or something else, movie rules or something else, and you will be downloading it. You will be copying the piracy, right? If
Yes.
if the mobile, I mean, if the movie industry has saw that you are using the piracy, they will be casing a file on you, right? They will file a case on you, right? In the same way, ServiceNow will also have a subscription. So if you want to build a new tool, at least how many years you need to be having, ma? As you can see, ServiceNow, he has taken from 2003 to 2024. That means how many years has happened, ma? At most 20 years.
21.
21.
Yeah, 21 years has happened. But as a end user, let's take David is an CEO of one of the organization. He want to build an application like a service now. How many years he need to do go? He need to hard work for 20 to 25 years, and then only he can get into a good shape. And for that too, every month it needs to have some development, right? So instead of wasting 20 years or 30 years of time, ServiceNow has invented, and whatever the, I mean, and he will say that you can use my tool, whatever it is. If you want to change my name as well, you can change it. Okay. You can do whatever you can. Just give me some amount. I will give you the total thing so that you can use whatever you can. You can change the logo, you can change whatever it is. You can book whatever it is. As you can see here, I will show you my small instance so that you can easily understand it. So the only thing which I was trying to say is like it is a fully cooked, no need to have much coding language, coding skills, and all those thing type of stuff. Okay. And one more thing I just wanted to tell you. This is just a thought I was just trying to say you. So basically, if you keep around 2 to 3 years of experience and join in any of the organizations with any other tool, not apart from ServiceNow, so that if you are performing some duties with that particular tools like Python or else whatever, etc., DevOps, Power BI, MSB, all those type of things, the co-developers who are working with you can easily understand that you are not worked in a real time. You just have some knowledge, theoretical knowledge, and just cracked the interview with the help of someone and you just join. They can easily understand. But in ServiceNow, they can't. Why? Because they will, I mean, they can't analyze it. Why? Because if you learn whatever you are learning here, the same thing will be there in the organizations itself. There will be nothing much difference actually. Okay. So yeah. So yeah, as you can see here, this is not even personal developer instance. Actually, it has given some free for using for developing some scenarios. They will give ServiceNow has given this URL actually. This is also a cloud one. No need to have some I mean, the laptop, no need to have some high definition laptops. Only just a dual core is also fine. Okay, it is just the mobile network should be there, or else it can be accessible with mobile network as well. No need to have high bandwidth of network and then log into service now. No need of having like this. Okay, so what I was trying to say is like it is having some low code actually and very easy to use to any of the members. So that's the reason. Huh? Now, as you can see, it is successful in the market over the years now actually. One of the best ticketing tool in the market actually. And as I said, ServiceNow will release two versions yearly in a European alphabetical names. As I showed you, right? Aspen, Berlin, all those things I showed you, right? So in the same way. Now, why ServiceNow has becoming very great and very innovation tool in the world? Because of having each and every tool. And one more thing, nowadays SAP is there, right? SAP we will be having multiple modules like business management, and we do have sales and distributions. We do have some IT, I mean some asset management. Everything we are having, right? So one of the best degrade of SAP is ServiceNow. After ServiceNow came, SAP's price level has also been decreased, decreased, as because of ServiceNow is having a multiple tools, and it is inventing multiple tools actually. If you know what is meant by ServiceNow, can you please tell me in a single line answer? What?
Ticketing tool. Before it was ticketing tool.
Perfect. Before is just a ticketing tool. You all know it is just a ticketing tool. We can't analyze that, oh, it is only a ticketing tool. Okay. It will not only the ticketing tool, it will solve multiple things actually. Nowadays, we are having HRSD. And what is the difference between HRSD and ITSM actually? ITSM stands for what? Information Technology Service Management. That means it is giving the service to the employees in the organization. That means if you have issue with your laptop, if you are having issue with your LAN cables, network cables, if you are unable to open the laptop, then what you will be doing, ma? You will be creating a ticket. That is fine. And the ticket will be solving by some specific departments. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah, in the same way, let's take for example, your manager is there. Okay, your manager is trying to give you the multiple tasks. Actually, he is trying to target you and he is giving you the multiple tasks. Will you be creating the ticket for ITSM tool? Or else you will be reporting to our HR. What you will be doing, ma?
IPs.
No, no. You will be, if your manager is bothering you, you will be creating a ticket, or else you will be creating a HR case, or you will be
HR
reporting to
case.
the
HR.
HR.
HR case.
Yes,
You need to
perfect.
raise HR case.
You will be raising a HR case. Why? Because this will won't come under the ITSM, right? ITSM stands for service, giving the service like software services, hardware service. That service you will be giving here. But if your manager is doing some harassing you, something else issues you are having with your manager, then you will be complaining in the HR, right? Not in the ITSM. In the same way, we do have CMDB. CMDB stands for Configuration Management Database. That means it will maintain all the IT assets in the organizations. So, what is meant by an IT asset? In ITSM, in our organization, we are having thousands, 10,000, 20,000 of employees. Lakhs of employees we will be working for huge organizations. But we need to maintain, right? Without maintaining, what they will be doing? Without maintaining the asset, what it will happen, ma? If you are not maintaining the asset correctly, like this asset has been using by Nuzat, this asset has been using by Ranjit, this asset has been using by
We will,
Chaitanya. We need to
we
have
will
to
lose the track.
clear. Yes, we need to have a correct track of it, right? If you are not having the track, what you will be doing? Chaitanya, David, everything, everyone, what you will be doing? Okay, however,
The
yes,
devices can be displaced or
right.
tampered.
There will be some misuse of those devices, right?
Yes.
What David, Chaitanya, everything will think like, okay, fine. However, my asset is not trackable. I can make use of my personal use as well. So that is not a good idea, right? For organizations, as you can notice, in organization, we can't use whatever the URLs which we want, right?
Yes.
We will be opening, there will be some specific logins only will be there. Correct?
Yes.
So in the same way, Servicenow has invented lot many tools. Not only I haven't listed multiple, but I have listed only the important tools like ITSM, HRSD, all those things. As because of having these things, Servicenow has been in a big boom. Now you can also get some doubt, like so basically in our course, what else will get triggered? You know, after these all these tools, whatever we can cover. That means we need not to have knowledge on all these things. Okay, if you are having a knowledge on ITSM, you can easily track everything. Okay, if you learn ITSM tool, later on, if you are going into the organization, you can learn all those things. Okay, in our daily life, in our YouTube or whatever it is, they are saying like we will be teaching you HRSD, we will be teaching you discovery, we will be teaching you ITOM. Everything is a fake, ma. No one will give you a good knowledge. As per my understanding, I am owing you, as I was having 8 years of experience in this domain. All are fake, bro. They just give you a small brief understanding. If you don't know ITSM, that is zero of learning HRSD and whatever it is. Okay, I am giving you the heads up and challenging you. That is waste of time to learn all these tools like HRSD, CMDB, CSM. Waste. You need to be pro in ITSM and then you can learn everything. In the YouTube or whatever it is, they will just give you a small knowledge itself. They will not give the real time examples or real times. They just go for the ServiceNow community. See, not only this one, ma. Whatever it is, service do we you will be having some ServiceNow community and all those things of stuff actually. From there also we can get. So actually, I wanted it is like there is some batch released HRSD batch released in one of the YouTube channels. So I wantedly uh, listen the demo actually. Okay, so nothing is there. He said a rubbish actually. Why? Because you will be spending your hard working money and hard working time towards. We need to give you the full knowledge on whatever it is. We need to, I mean, give the stuff whichever is correctly required, but we should not guide you in wrong informations and wrong one things, right? So we need to give a good knowledge as because you are giving you us time. You have, you have been, if you want, you can do other works at this time as well, right? You are trying to listen my words. That means I need to have a respect on you that you are spending your precious time on me. So I should not give the rubbish things and all. So that's what I'm saying. No need to go with all those tools, bro. First, you need to have a good knowledge on ITSM. Then only you will be having good experience with all those things. Okay. I mean, before joining to any of the organizations, at least you can have it. A little bit of idea, not no need of having high knowledge on it. Okay. Now, yeah, coming back to my next slide. So, as I said, some automation of scenarios like I will tell you one. Yeah. So, let's say, for example, sending birthdays wishes on your day. Okay. On your birthday. So, basically, what is meant by sending a birthday wishes? That means in service now, we will be having some concept called schedule job. So, if you see some of the messages in your inbox, SBI or else Citibank, whatever the bank which you are which you have an account, you will be getting some birthday wishes on your birthday. Am I right? Have you got that anytime?
Yes,
That type
yes.
of things. So basically, no one will. Does it send manually? Will is your bank manager will see when your birthday comes and he will be sending you the birthday wishes
No,
to you on your birthday?
No.
It is an
no.
automated one.
Yes, it is an automated one, right? No one will send it manually by keeping reminding your birthday on the day, right? This that means that type of things will be performing as a ServiceNow developer actually. So that means that particular job will comes under who? The
Service
developer will
level.
do that. Okay. Now, not only this one. So as soon as you onboarded to any of the organization, okay, you will be having some asset. That particular asset needs to get approved by your reporting manager. Am I right?
Yes.
So as soon as I have been already, I guess it has already created. Let me check whether it is done or not.
భిన్నంగా వచ్చింది.
Sorry, can you please be on mute, Naveen? Yeah, thank you. So let me give one scenario. Yeah, as you can see one scenario here. So let's take this is an employee. So he has been onboarded to one of the organization, like let's take Servicenow itself. So he has been onboarded to Servicenow. First, he need to have an asset, right? He need to have an asset. So he can't go directly to the manager and ask for the asset, right? I mean, give me the asset, I will use. He will not say like that, right? The manager, before logging into the onboarding, he will be getting one email. In that email, every detail will be there. If you want to get the asset, please try to raise a request here, and all those type of things you will be getting, right. In the same way, he will be raising a request. As soon as he raise the request, will the asset will get assigned to him? No, right? They should follow one process. Am I right?
Yes.
The process is nothing but first it should go for the approval of manager. Once after the approval of manager is done, it needs the asset people will check in the stock room whether that particular asset is available in the stock room or not. Once after checking the stock room, whether that I mean it will go for the admin team. Why? Because this particular employee should not open all the URLs what he need. He needs to open some specific things, right? Some specific, we need to control the opening of that particular URLs from this particular asset, right? So for
Like access management.
yes, access management we need to do, right? So that things we needs to go for the asset management team, and then we need to send a notification that if everything has been installed properly, then we need to send a notification to the employee stating that your asset is ready. Please try to correct the laptop at the admin team. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. So that means we are giving an correct and order by functionalities. I mean, we are giving step by step manner. I mean, in a correct hierarchy, we are trying to give a service. That means everyone will love it. Am I right? As because of giving this type of service, he will be, I mean, for this particular thing, that asset SLAs would be like 2 days. Why? Because he needs to check in the stock room, and asset management should people should install everything. Everything should happen in a good manner, right? So that type of things will be happening with the service now. We can easily implement it, ma. Okay. We can easily automate this type of things in service now. There should be no manual interruption. Like as soon as the asset is getting this, if he is asking an asset for the manager should go to the stock room and collect the laptop, and the manager again go to the admin team and try to install all this laptop, and he needs to send an SMS. This is a manual way, but here this everything is a automated way, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, this automated ways, we can do this with the help of ServiceNow actually. Now, basically the duty of ServiceNow is to maintain this type of workflows, creating this type of workflows. In ServiceNow, there will be two type of people. One is the admin one. Yeah, I will give you the time for doubts and everything. Okay, just bear with me. Okay, admin and developer. So now, if you see the admin activities, what are the admin activities? What are the developer activities? Basically in ServiceNow actually. Let's take this is the ServiceNow. ServiceNow tool. Okay. So basically, who comes under the ServiceNow and which things comes under the developer? So I will take one small example, man. I don't want to go deeper into it. So now you have been logged into one ServiceNow. I mean, you have been logged into one account. You have given the user ID and password. Unfortunately, it is showing as you can't log in, unable to log in. Then This is my issue. You will be you will be raising a request to admin team, or you will be requesting to developer team. To whom you
Admin
will
team.
be
Admin.
admin team, right? Why? Because user IDs and everything will be taken care by
Admin team.
admin team. Now there is a functionality. Now Indigo is there. Let's take Indigo. So basically the functionalities is there. What is the date today? Today the date is 26th. 26th of October. So why can't I enter the past dated values? Why can't
Actually,
why can't I enter the past dated values, ma?
We don't have
Last
this.
away.
Huh?
it completed today.
It is completed, right? The date has been completed, the arrival has been completed, the departure has been completed. That's the reason that this particular enhancement was done by whom? By admins or developers?
Developers.
Developers. So basically there is an Indigo logo, and if you see here, there are some things like, yeah, here it is a chat option, right? Chat option is there. So this particular chat has been enabled by whom? I mean, developed by whom? Developers.
Developers.
I want to change this logo. That means comes with the developer or admin team.
Developer.
Developer.
Yes, perfect. That would be the same thing, ma. Here as well, the same thing. In Servicenow as well, if any users are unable to log in, if the duty of admin team is to check the server. As soon as he load it, it is not loading. He will be going to developer or admin.
Admin.
Admin team. Why? Because it is first it is not allowing him to enter into the form. That means the admin team will take into picture, right? So nowadays, I have listed some backdoor jobs that there will be some admin openings are there. Just please try to send some amount. We will be placing you directly into the admin team. They will be saying like that. But in ServiceNow, there is nothing like that, ma. I'm saying now, damn sure, there is nothing like that. Only admin directly we will be having an openings for admin team. There is nothing like that. It is just a word, but they will ask all the interview questions on development itself. Okay. There is nothing like that. Once after placing in any of the organization, then only if there are any requirement is there, then only they will be pushing you to the development team. Okay. Then only they will be pushing into the development team. Sorry, admin team. But you will be placing it as a developer only first. Okay. Later on only we will be having actually. Later on only you will be moving into the admin team. But first as soon as you enter into the organization, no one will give as an admin. If you are not performing, I can say you one small thing. I have placed one guy in Infosys. He has there in a bench for 8 to 9 months. Later on, he has gone into one project, and he has been as a developer for 1 month. Later on, he is not performing good. Actually, he is performing, but not as expected. He has a genuine documents and everything is genuine actually, but he is not performing the duties properly. So what they will be doing, ma? They will be checking your background verification whether it is clear or not. If verification is clear, if the project has a requirement, they will be pushing into the admin team. Then he is doing now, and he is good at his skills of admin team and all. He is developing actually. He is working as a developer as well as admin. He will be getting more of admin activities. He is good at his life and he is enjoying the organization. So that's the reason there will be no such job like directly admin. Okay, come on, let me come back here. So future of service now. So now for the next 20 to 30 years, there is no tool will beat ServiceNow. I'm damn sure there will be most esteemed organizations also using ServiceNow. Okay, like you can see here, Microsoft, Amazon, Deloitte. If Microsoft needed, can't he build his own tool? You all know that Microsoft, Google, all Apple are also using ServiceNow only. Nissan and Benz, Mercedes Benz. That is a project actually. In Mercedes-Benz also, we will be having this service now actually. So as you can see here, Microsoft is there. Microsoft will also use service now. Why can't we think like if he need, why can't he directly build his own tool? He can build his own tool, right? Why he is going with service now? Because service now is a built it, already built it. No, I mean nothing else is needed, right? It is already built and we just need to eat it. That's it. However, he has given a purchased that particular service now, and I can use whatever it is. Yes or no, ma?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In the
Yes.
same way, maximum all the organizations are using service now. Not only all the organizations, I can say as 100% of organizations should use any ITSM tool. The future is service now, ma. I'm saying na. So here we need not to have much coding skills, much all those type of things. But at least you need to have some idea on it. At least you need to have some idea on it so that you can easily grasp that understanding and easily you can get it and easily you can learn service now in a very good manner as I'm a tutor. And one more thing, I was from the electrical background actually. I am triply. I don't know the coding skills and all. If I, so to be honest, I want if we do have a C language in my BTech, we do have a C language. I have cleared the C language at the third year, I guess. With the help of one mentor, I have been cleared this C language on third year. That means what is the background of saying this is like no need of having much coding skills or having such things, but minimum skills you need to have. Okay, that minimum skills will give a food to you, or that would become a bread and butter to your family. So now we are mature enough that we need to learn multiple things actually. We need to learn first. So it is very easy to place you in service number. For me, it is very easy to place you, but you need to survive in a job, right? Without having a knowledge in your, without having the knowledge, can you be, I mean, if you are logging into any of the organization, can't they understand that you are a fake guy?
They can.
They can easily understand, right? You are a fake guy. Why? Because you are at least you need to know the navigation part of service now. If you don't know the navigation part as well, they can easily understand. In our easy things, if some what I can say, homemade person will come, if she is not keeping your home in a good manner and she is not sweeping your home, will you be keeping her? You will
No.
be
Oh,
getting a thing like, no, no, I just wanted to change her. She is not working properly. You are giving just an amount of 5,000 to 10,000. You are thinking like that. The organization will give you 1 lakh or 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs based on your experience. Will they do like that? I mean, will they prefer you in the market? We are having two competition, ma. You need to survive in the government jobs, either you need to survive in any of the non-technical. You all know about the non-technical jobs. They will be giving around 25 to 30,000 or 40,000 most, and you need to work around 14 hours, 15 hours of the time. But here for service, no need of doing like that. You, if you are in India, just go with the government jobs, or else just calmly learn one easy tool and just come to service now and learn it. That's it, ma. I'm saying with my heart, very simple thing. Service now you can easily learn and you can get a good amount actually. Minimum salary of service now, if you are keeping 3 years of experience, you will get around I can say it as you can get around 60,000 per annum per monthly. Monthly 60,000 is the minimum basic salary. If you are having 3 years, and the maximum salary which I have given is in 40 lakhs, bro. 36 to 40 lakhs, and the minimum salary is 7.5 in my career right now. Okay, now as you can see here, these are all the skills you need. Skills you need in the sense, no need of having coding skills and all. These are all what all the topics I will be covering. I will be giving you the things. Okay. Now career opportunities and who can learn the service now actually. As I said, mentioned in the past, no need of any prior knowledge. There is no problem at all. No such prerequisites required. Like you will say, like if I need to learn some JavaScript, if I need to have some knowledge on HTML, no need. That's the reason I'm here to teach you, right? If the tutor is good now, I'm saying now you can easily learn. You know about the multiple. See, if you are having a good guidance, nowadays you will think like in the BTech as well. I also thought, no, I was I was an graduate in electrical. Why I need to go for software? I will won't go. So after after 1 or 2 years, slowly understood. We should not see movies like we do have some movies like BTech. There is an Raghuvar and BTech, na?
Yes.
Yes.
So what he will be thinking, if someone is going to the softwares, he will think like, I don't know, no, I don't want to go and earn money like a software. I learned to build some house in a civil department. I will only go to there. The situation demands actually. That is a movie. Just that is just a movie. And one more thing, there is nothing code actually. You will think like we need to sit on in front of the laptop and we need to click multiple buttons and code and everything. Nothing will be there like service now. Like you see in the movies like that. No one will have like that in service now. As I said, right, I wantedly kept this particular thing. Coming from an electrical engineering background myself, I understand what it's like to transition into new field actually. I have been where you are now, the situation where you are, I'm in that situation in the past 8 years, and I know exactly how to guide you thoroughly each and every challenge actually. As a dumb one, as a legacy one, I know how to teach you. Why? Because I came from the zero knowledge. I can understand how to teach you, right? The zero knowledge people can understand easily how I need to make a mentorship and give a dedication to you. Anyone can have masters in service now. No need to have good knowledge actually. The only thing I need it from you is like just be sincere and punctual. That's it. Okay. Learn and earn. That means first you need to learn and then only you need to earn. Without learning, if you earn, that is only for 2 days. Okay. For 2 days, you will go to office and use it. And what your parents think, ah, okay, ma, my son has settled in my life and I'm good at my, I mean, I have brought up and he has got a good job and now he is at his place and he can enjoy the rest of his life. Our parents should think like that, right? We
Yes.
should not stop in the middle. That dreams, we should not stop in the middle. That's the reason. First, we need to learn thoroughly. Later on, we can expert and high demand, and we can expect and high services and high things in our service now. Actually, okay. Try to learn very sincerely. That would be a good job actually. So now, why to choose my training? Because I will give you each and every scenario in a real time only. I was doing a job. My shift starts in the evening. From morning, I will be giving this type of trainings and all. So that's the reason I will be up to the mark, up to the date. Whatever the updates are there for service now, it will be there in my mind, and it will be there. Everything will be there in my mind actually. Why? Because I was real time employee, right? So in our other training centers, they are not much learned. In Amirpet, we do have hundreds of trainings, but you you can choose me. Why? Because I was up to date trainer, and I know whatever I need to train. And if there are any new tools coming to market, I will definitely teach you. So mentorship I will be giving for whatever it is. Service now, if you join in my batch or not, if you got any service now things, just let me know. I will give you the good guidance actually. Okay. And the placement assistant is successful, ma. Near me, at least I will. If I give my trainings, at least in my batch, before doing all those such type of things in my batch, at least 2 to 3 members will get a job directly without any helper. Okay, I do have a good extensive placement network. I do have some HRs in my hands. HRs in my hands, and then don't feel that I do have a direct contact with them. In an organizations, I do have some friends. They will give some HR contacts to me so that I will directly give you the HR contacts or email IDs to you so that you will mail the resume. They will help you reach out to you if they need. So now, do you have any questions? So you can reach out to me at this mobile numbers, 9014403436 and 8898565222. These are all two mobile numbers which we do have. Okay, and I do have a YouTube channel as well. So you can browse here, like yeah, as you can see, this is my YouTube channel, and you can browse here. I do have 911. I just kept 25 videos which are mainly needed. So that's the reason we are having less subscribers. And I will be, to be honest, I'm not much active in the YouTube actually. That's the reason the subscribers are not much up to the mark. And however, I'm damn sure if I keep 2 to 3 videos, that will go more to it. I don't prefer these type of things actually. So now I will prefer only in my talent. No need of having all those things. So now I just wanted to show you some feedbacks of my candidates who has given me the feedbacks. Just a minute. So if you come down to me, I will definitely show you all those type of things actually. So as you can you see my screen? I just downloaded from my WhatsApp.
No, actually.
We are just
We
able
can
to
see the
see that.
presentation.
No, we can see.
Now you can see that. I just downloaded it from my WhatsApp. I will be showing it to you. Yeah. So as you can see here, done all the client scripts. Because of your explanation, only you have good understanding. Thank you so much. Okay, he is from the non-technical background and he has performed very well. So this is I mean, actually, he is my family friend. So your effort has been a lifeline for me. The efforts you have put in my taking care. I mean, this, as you can see, I do have multiple things actually. Imran, bro, who filled his dream becoming a software engineer, may grant Allah he give some all those type of things we are having actually. So latest I have placed, I will tell you. I will just show you all these things. So if you come down to me, I will definitely show these messages, ma. So nowadays, so multiple peoples are just showing some interest on giving this type of messages and just removing this. I'm saying na, I'm owing it to you. I will show you the offer letters as well, who are placed with my ideas and my trainings. Okay. So as you can see, thank you so much for your wonderful support in my tough times. And I can't explain you from the day one you supported me, motivated me in the excellent way. We are lucky to have you in our life, a professional career, and our optimum. Thank you so much. Yeah. So as you can see, all these things are my feedbacks. See, as you can see from Bangalore, from multiple people who will come in. So from last 2 years, I faced so many problems. I can't able to find a perfect trainer. I lost money and hope you can finally within 3 weeks, ma. He just changed his life. Actually, he got a good package in one of the esteemed organization. So yeah, these are all the things. Sorry, I do have multiple, but I haven't shared for it. I will share you when you come back to me. And yeah, this is the thing. If you want, just a minute, I will pause the sharing and I just need to go to the message and I will show it to you, which is the latest offer which I given, which I enrolled. Okay. Where it is, where it is. Just give me a minute. And later on, do you have any doubts, ma? Till now, just let me know, or else we are good with this. Just tell me, huh?
So directly, like we can't go to ServiceNow admin if even if we take a CSAT, CSA exam.
No, ma. Waste of time. Waste.
Mm.
No one.
So for an entry level, what all openings can we go?
For entry level, that means are you currently working in any of the organization or else what?
I have work experience of 3 to 4 years in
Right.
digital marketing field.
That's it.
Now I want to pivot to a technical field.
Awesome. So
So I have worked with other softwares and all, not enterprise softwares, but when I'm learning ServiceNow, it's kind of easy for me to grasp the concepts and all.
correct.
Like I have worked with other workflow automations, like or like that and all.
Hmm.
So with that, can I get admin type jobs?
Yes, bro. You will definitely get it.
Mm.
Yeah. You will, but directly placing in this thing is not Noma. Directly.
Also, in a developer job, what all will be the day-to-day operations which
Okay.
we'll be doing?
Good question you asked actually. Very good question. So basically, I do have uploaded one video. You first see this video, okay?
Mm.
Just a minute, 1 second. I will tell you. Where is my video? Where is my video? Day-to-day activity. It's this one. Okay, please. In this only 2 minutes of our conversation, I can't say the total work job of our ServiceNow developer. As you can see, I think this has got good feedback as well, ma. As yeah, as you can see here, we have got a good feedbacks as well. You can please try to check this, huh? Okay, na? Just
Okay.
please try to check this one. I will give you this. I'm giving you in a chat. Okay, just try to browse this. You will definitely understand what is the job role of ServiceNow developer. And so 1 second, can you see my screen, right? You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
As you can see here, this is my latest offer which I have. So as you can see here, brother, I'm so grateful for your help. As in such world, in this small world, I got a good job in a great MNC company. Your guidance, your motivation, and mainly your words like it's a light. I mean, this is my just a word actually. Boost my mindset to different level and build confidence. And especially your hard work inspires me a lot. Your knowledge in this particular field was just awesome. Trust and believe the way, and you will definitely achieve the goals. Okay. So this type of feedback, I will get it from. This is the latest one. As you can see, 1610, right? So yeah. So I hope no one will show you this type of things in the market, ma. I have with proofs I can show it to you. What is the talent of me, and I will show you each and everything. Okay. Now, yeah, please try to check this. Huh? Do you have any doubts, ma? Till you know, just let
I
me
have a
know.
question.
Yeah, please tell me.
Okay. So well, I actually got some of these like offers, and I'm really happy that I have the opportunity to be with this class.
Thank you.
What do you think is the best as far as what you teach us?
Mhm.
Um, roughly, I don't want to say how long should we, study and practice it, but what do you think we should focus when you're teaching us pretty much everything in the class, I guess.
Good. So basically, what I was trying to say is like on daily basis, I will be giving you the scenarios. Okay. For admin scenarios, there will be little bit, but as you see here, I have prepared some documents. Okay.
Okay.
Just a minute. I have prepared some documents. Just a minute. I will try to log on. Yeah. So yeah. I have a multiple documents, where the project documents we are having all this type interview questions I do have and everything I do have actually. I will be posting you all this type of daily requirements to you so that you need to prepare that. That's it, ma. I don't want more from anyone else and whatever it is. So whatever the development documents are there, I will be providing some interview questions as well. I have prepared some interview questions. As you can see here, I can prepare some interview documents like this at the last. and I will be helping you in resume preparation and all. So yeah,
But will that go for like all the stuff that you're preparing? Is there a email or a notes where I'm supposed to go to check it out, or something that you send to our email, or how does it?
got it. So on daily basis, we do have an August batch. Okay, so this is my another batch. On daily basis, I will be preparing the document like this, and on daily basis, we will be having the videos will get uploaded like this. As you can see, 24 October, 23 October, like this. Every day there will be the document, and you need to make a note of it. And everything I will be adding it in this particular page. Okay, I will be creating a Word document. You need to prepare this for sure. And I will be
Oh,
sharing it with you.
okay. How will you share that with us? Like, will you be sending it through an email, or do we have to log on to something? Because I'm not sure. I
Great.
wasn't here for the demo, so I'm not sure if you discussed
Great.
that during the demo.
Got it, got it. You just need to give me your email ID. I will be sharing it with you. Like we do have an so as you can see here, if I want to share, these are all the email IDs which we are having for this present batch. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah. Yeah, as you can see here like this. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, David. Do you have anything else? We can discuss on mobile as well. So as you all know that my mobile number is 90 1440 3436. If I haven't lifted the call, you can call us at 8898 565 222. Okay? This would be my mobile number, so you can tell me.
901.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Thank you, David. Reshma, tell me.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask, like, as someone coming from a completely non-technical background,
Mhm.
would you be able to provide guidance on how I might validate and present this experience effectively so that I would be able to make interviews success?
Perfect. As I said that no prior knowledge is also fine. There is no problem at all. The documents and everything. I have some skills how to make your work skills which are you have been till now. I understand that you have been done in you are doing some job in any of the organization, right? For how many years you have an experience?
For 5 years.
For 5 years.
I actually did
That means,
MBA in
yeah, if
2020.
you want to convert those 5 years to IT, I have an idea. Don't waste that 5 years. Later on, you will be, I mean, you need not to go with any other documents or put some other documents and no need. You just need to put some I will tell you ma how to use those 5 years. Why? Because you have done a good efforts in those 5 years of experience, right? And you are just learning it and you are joining. You did not to waste those timings. Okay, I will tell you ma how to place that one.
Thank you. So yeah, I just wanted to understand so
Yeah,
that you provide guidance on it.
correct. I will definitely provide the guidance ma. The same word which I tell you, the same thing will be there at the last session as well. Someone first they will say I will do that, this, that. At last, no one will he will never ever left you a call actually. But once if we come into picture, that means once if we who have, I mean, we our journey has been started, then I will definitely give. Why? Because nowadays I'm getting good amount of calls. I was unable to attend multiple. So that's the reason I think nowadays itself. That means from past 2 to 3 months. That's it. Now, yeah. Anyone else? Any doubts? Just let me know.
Yeah, yes,
Good,
Yunus.
bro.
Right.
Yeah, hi, ma. Tell.
Yeah, hi. Actually, I have done my BTech from Information Technology in 2009,
Hmm.
and now it is like 2024. It is like 15 years. Will
Hmm.
I be placed in a good organization or not? That is my question.
Good on.
I'm into non-technical, like my experience is into non-technical only.
Okay. How many years of experience you have? I mean, with
Actually,
PF, tell me. With PF, I mean, without PF, no need. Just
yeah.
tell me the experience which hold PF account.
Actually, presently I'm working in a small company called Dr. C
Don't
as
tell me.
an telesales.
Hmm.
Okay.
No problem. Yeah.
Yeah, and I was not having PF, and recently from past 2 months only they have started PF.
Mhm. Got it. Got it. But you have a bank account statement and all, right?
Yeah, I have that
Perfect.
for
Okay.
past 3 years.
We can design it actually. Don't no worries.
Okay.
If you have the bank statement from past, how many years?
3.5, yeah, 3 years.
Okay. Before that, what you have done?
Before that, I was used to work as a parent counselor in a school, and then I was working as a this one admin
From
counselor for the UK company.
Got it. From past 9 years, from the
Hmm.
past 9 years, you have PF account for only 2 months?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, okay. We need to design in a very good manner actually.
Mm-hmm. That's what I'm
Okay.
just.
Once come and meet me in my office. Let us
Okay.
guide, but not now. Now no need. I can
Okay.
design it. I have that capability to how to design this particular scenario. But
Yeah.
not it for now. You just come at your free time. I will tell you how. I will guide you how to do it.
Yeah.
Okay, na? Yeah.
Yeah.
Any other doubts?
Imran bhai,
Yeah, hi. Tell me.
hi, this is Sheikh. Actually, I just wanted to know when can I expect this journey will start? I mean, trainings and all. I
From
mean,
today, it's
particular date.
from today, just the first demo. Tomorrow,
Yeah.
if I want to give demo, I will give it. Or else, from Monday, directly we are having the sessions, live
Okay.
sessions from Monday to Saturday. Every day, 9 to 10 a.m. in the morning.
Okay. One more thing, Imran bhai.
Yes,
So,
please.
as I have a overall 6 years of experience as a non-technical background,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
so how will you suggest me as I have a PF account and all, and as I'm in non-technical background, I don't have proper, I mean, lead background, but as an admin side, I have
Mm-hmm.
all the documents and all.
Mm-hmm.
So, what will you be suggest for me?
Mm. I can suggest very easy. We can crack job very easily actually. But the only thing is like the only good news is like you are not idle. You
Yeah.
have just did some job, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
In an esteemed organization or a very small organizations.
No. No. In right now, I'm working in Accenture.
Okay, good. I mean, no need to say the names of the company in this meeting. No problem at all. However, we are just giving the guidance. That's it. No, nothing will happen. But okay. So basically, if it is an that good organization, then no problem. Good news.
Okay.
Why?
Thank.
Because you have genuine 6 years of experience, na?
Yes. Yes.
The
Yes. Yes. I
only
have.
thing, the only thing, the asset you need to have is to have a good knowledge. That's it. But we should not keep 6 years you have been worked as a ServiceNow developer. Okay.
Acha. Okay.
The stuff, why? Because they will expect more if you are having 6 years of experience. We need to deal with it, ma. I will deal with it. Don't worry. No worry.
Okay.
Just come and meet me. I will give you the location as well. Okay. My
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
around Sidra residency, we will calling it as Sidra residency.
You are staying in Amirpet, right?
No, 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 no. Mehndipatnam.
Meheripatnam. Okay. Okay. Actually, I'm staying in Panjagutta. So, okay.
Okay, just
We
come.
will meet you soon. Yep. Thank you.
I will drop down the location as well. As you can see, this location. Google as well, we do have a location, I guess. Yeah, I think. So this one. Yeah, this is it. Not this. Yeah, this would be the building. This is a building actually where I stay. Okay, this would be the entry. Okay,
Okay. Thank you.
done. You just need here. There will be the DMart ready. Here you can see the DMart ready. Okay, done, ma. Thank you so much for your valuable time. And do you have any questions? Just let me know, ma. Yeah, please subscribe to this channel. Okay.
So do we need to take any certification from the ServiceNow platform like
Yeah.
CSA?
Good question. As other Sheikh has asked, right? He has around 6 years of experience. I will suggest Sheikh to take the certification. Why? Because he is in that organization. That organization provide Sheikh. Are you there?
Yes, Imran.
Okay. So basically, the particular organization will provide free vouchers actually. To write an ServiceNow exam, we will be charging around 60 to 70,000. If a normal candidate wants to do, it will charge us around 300 plus $300. $600 will be having 600 into 8. It's for something around how much, ma? 84 rupees right now.
Yes.
It's 600 into 84. How much? I'm weak at 50,400. Yeah. So in Accenture, it is a free of cost, Sheikh. I will suggest you how to do. Okay.
Sure.
Atik, the same thing you asked, right? Imran,
Yes, sir.
Irfan. Yeah. So as I said that we are having, I mean, we need to have the certification, but I will, if you are in an organization, just tell me, or else I do have another sorting out for this particular issue. I will tell you how to sort it that. Okay. I mean, we need to explain clearly why you don't have the certification for the past these many years. Are you currently working somewhere else?
No, not right now. I left.
Okay, okay. How many years of gap you have?
Just few months. I left in April.
Great. Got it, got it, got it. No problem, ma'am. Okay. No problem. Irfan, just meet me. I will tell you the solution, how to do it. Okay. Other any questions? Just let me know, or else we are good to drop off.
Imran bhai, today or tomorrow at what time you will be available to meet, if
Today I will
possible?
be available. Tomorrow I have my family time. So please come tomorrow before today. Sorry,
Because
today before 4.
yeah, because I'm having 10 years of experience. So I mean, what kind of certifications I need to do that I will discuss
Are you still
one to
working?
one. I will visit. Yeah, I'm currently working.
Then you can come to me. I will tell you.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Any other?
Can I call you after this?
Yes, please. No problem.
What's the? I didn't get a chance to write the full number down. So that I can send you my email, but it's I got 901-440
3436.
3436.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Oh,
Yeah.
let me just take a picture of it like that. Okay, 1 second. Uh,
Yeah. I will be
Thank you.
uploading this session as well in this YouTube channel.
All right. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, then. Thank you so much for your valuable time. And I just want to tell you one small thing. As we are in this modern modern age, at least we need to have around 1 lakh as a salary till now. We have crossed around 25 to 28 right now. If you want to live in this modern age in India, at least you need to you need to earn around 1 lakh 8 minimum 70 to 1 lakh rupees for now. At this position, we need to earn these things. If not, no one will take care of you. You all know that. I mean, someone will say that money won't make something else. But nowadays, I mean, you should live in a good manner, right? Why you have a talent? God has given you good brain and a good talent to you. Why can't you use it? Everyone has have the same brains. It is not like a civil services examination, right? To crack the service, no. It is just a tool. If you learn this tool, you will get the job. That's it, right? So
Yeah.
everyone has their own thoughts and things to. The only thing is guidance, ma. If you have a good guidance, you will definitely crack whatever it is. Okay. Thank you so much for your valuable time. It's really nice talking to you. And I have today I got was very happy as multiple members joined and at last they will be dropping off, but no one has dropped out. That is my thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.
Yes,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Yeah, please join from Monday 9 to A on the same time, 9 to 10 on daily basis. Okay. First day I will tell you the demo on ServiceNow's versions and how to what is the ServiceNow and all. Okay. I'm done for the day. Thank you.
Bhai, one thing, if we miss any session, like we'll get any backup recording videos or
I do said that we have an batch and we do have all these things. As you can see here, the batch recordings. Everything
Okay.
will be the recorded
Yeah,
session.
we need to follow this.
Yes, yes. But don't go with this. I mean, live का सुनना अलग रहता और recording सुनना अलग रहता ना माँ. If you want to
Oh.
use this type of things in YouTube, we do have multiple things, but no need to join in this, right? In YouTube.
Yes, to be honest, like 6 months ago, I contacted you, but the thing is, like, due to some things, I followed YouTube, but I'm not satisfied that much. Well, no, I'm not well satisfied. So again, I contacted you for these live sessions.
I know, bro. I will say na.
Yeah, I'm regretting now because why I have not joined 6 months ago.
Yeah.
Why I wasted my 6 months time.
Great, great, great. No problem. Late is fine, but you can get the job in latest. Okay.
So if we join this course, can we get the recording of the previous batch to come learn fast?
Sorry, can you please? Sorry, can you please repeat again one more time? How can we? Hello.
If we join the course,
Yeah.
can we get the recordings of the previous batch so that we can cover the topics if we want to complete it in fast track?
Yeah, you can. But if you get that one as well, what is the reason in getting it? I mean, why to be fast? Slow and slow wins the race, na? Why to be fast and make a mess? For each and every batch, I will modify multiple scenarios actually. There will be a lot of difference between the present batch as well as the past batch. Why? Because as I said, na, multiple things will get, scenarios will come, new scenarios will come. I will give you the new scenarios again with the new batches and the fresh batches. Yeah.
Okay, but
Mm.
positions are getting
See,
day
good,
by
good,
day.
good question you asked, ma. Versions. If I want to talk about the version, as I said in the past, one user has got a OnePlus mobile, okay, and later 1 month ago, 1 month later, he has got one update. On the top, we will get some messages, right? You need to update your mobile like that. Yes or no? On the top, if you drag through your mobile's drop down, you will get some messages, right? On the top.
Yes.
What you will be getting? Please try to update your mobile. There is a new update for you. Please try to update. Yes or no?
Yes.
So if you update, your OnePlus mobile will change it to Mac, Apple. Will it get
No.
changed to Apple?
No.
The same thing in ServiceNow. Even if you get multiple upgrades as well, it will be the same tool only, but only the difference would be like patching. Patching in a sense, security. Security will get released, some new icons will get released. So in the same way in OnePlus as well, you will feel some in your mobile as well, you will feel some fastness, you will feel some slowness, you will feel some difference in the UI user interface, right? In the same way for ServiceNow as well. There is nothing much. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, Ranjit. Any doubts? I'm done now. My battery is down. Yeah.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Imran.
Yes, nice. Please give me the feedback on my WhatsApp. Your feedback, I can say it as makes more me better. Thank you so much for your valuable time.
So
Thank
you're
you,
going to
Ranjit.
create any group for this guy?
Yeah, I will be creating the group in a few days.
Like when we need to pay the fees, like how many sessions we can attend to take a decision?
Forget about the fees for now. Just join for 1 week or like that, or 5 days or like that, and then you can join. You can. I will tell you the fees and everything. You can discuss later. Okay. That's the and one more
Okay.
thing. The topics which I cover is here. I have given the topic here. Yeah. These are all the topics which I cover. I will tell you these parts as well. And one more thing is I will give you some interview details as well. interview live, whatever the recorded sessions which we are having, I will be telling you. I wantedly attend some interviews in the past as present. I will be recording those interviews. I will be sending you those interview questions as well, so that you can easily understand how to start the interview, how to end the interview, and all. Okay, done. Yeah, Chaitanya, you can ping me on Teams. Sorry, call. Okay, what else? Anything else? Okay, signing off. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Bye bye.
Thank you, Imran.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.